Hello everyone. Today's conversation is about thinking and growing rich. This is going to be a broad subject on today's conversation. Thinking and growing rich. What I really mean is growing rich in lots of ways other than money. Yes, money is what we all want. We also want knowledge, we want happiness, we want friendship, connections, relationships, all the good things in life. That's what we want in richness. And it all begins with thinking. You've got to think the right way. You have to have the right knowledge when you're going on this path of thinking and growing rich. Now, there's a book called the same title, Thinking and Growing Rich, which I've based a lot of what I'm going to say on that book, because that book is absolutely fantastic. The philosophy, what it has in that book, is proven through the test of time. And I'm using the same thinking. I'm using thinking from other books which I've been listening to in the audio fashion. And I listen to all these type of information driving my van, because it's the most time I've got where I'm not doing nothing. I've got time, so I can take in the information while I'm driving, put back in my subconscious mind and start practicing and acting out these things. Now, this has happened for me over a number of years, maybe 5 years or more, of continuing listening to the right type of information for me to be inspired, for me to be motivated, for me to have the knowledge to do what I'm doing, for me to teach engineers, people who may have not got the skills, people may not have the direction, but I've been giving these people that information. And it's, as I said, it's something what I've practiced over a long time. Now Rufus is with me today, and Rufus, just tell people what you see in me, the skills, my attributes, what I've given to you, what you've picked up. Just hear it from yourself first.
Yeah, just as you have mentioned, I have seen few things, more than few I will even say, in you really, that I know is anyone that want good knowledge, that want to acquire good knowledge and get good mentoring, it can always get this from you because you have them all. Remember the day that I said to you that you're a genius. I didn't just say that word out of just saying the word. It is what exactly I observe in you. Yeah, you have a knowledge that is versatile in a way. Really, you have different skills in what I identify as, you have skills in sociology, psychology, and so many others. In fact, business is another thing again. And the way you think, the way you think is just the right way, for anyone that want to grow, and establish himself in the right way, especially all the things that you introduce that we need to equip ourselves with, so that we can be like you always say it, such as the Growing Rich book that you just mentioned. It's one of them, really. One of many, Yeah, guys, I must be honest with you. I have observed a lot of things, really, and I believe anyone that is, that have deep thinking will also observe this same thing as well, really. So it's a lot, you learn really. Is like, so I used to say to myself, I find myself so lucky, really, because it's not everyone that has this these gifts or this knowledge that we say in the world. Yeah, he has got it, and it's just working really. Practically, it's not just by saying it. There's evidence of this stuff really, that you can see everything is working. So it's a good thing when he advise or when he just tell you to do something really. There are few guys that are living proof of this thing that that I've just mentioned, that is working. So yeah, it's a lot really, guys. It's there's so much to it really. There's so much to it. It's just
okay, yeah.
So there's so much.
All right, brilliant. Thanks for that. Now, the guys who are in the network doing my mentorship program currently, the ones who have done it in the past, and the ones who are future people to join this program, this movement of the Masterful Engineer. The Masterful Engineer is me. I am the living embodiment of that. Now, other engineers might shout at me, call me other names, say all sorts, say I'm rubbish, whatever they may be. But if they need to get at the side of me right now, where Rufus is now, and let them judge me when they have the balls to come at the side of me, watch what I do, watch everything what I do, listen to what I say, watch the customers, what they say about me, how I run my business, how I just deal with life, how I deal with business, how I deal with stress, pressure, organization, people skills, IT, everything organizational. Let them come at the side of me and stand here, and then they can record it after they've listened, spent a day or two with me, and then they can say whatever they want. I challenge anyone to come and do that if they're man enough to do it. So that said, the guys who I really want to target are the ones who, like Rufus, know once they've been here to see what is really on offer for them. And what I'm looking for people to do, like Rufus, I want them to basically become better than me. I want them to inspire to be better than me. I don't want to say I'm the best. I want them to be the best. I want them to inspire them so they are masterful engineers themselves. And then from there, they will lead other people. They will show other people, inspire them. That's my dream. That's my mission. For me to share my knowledge with as many people as possible, and for them to do the same. This can be you. All you need to do is follow the proven things, what I do, what I've followed. I found information. I didn't know it before. I've learned it. I've developed it. And the same can be for you. So all you have to do is follow the proven script. Follow the methodology, what's already written. It's already done. Simple. I use simple logic to deal with complicated issues. That's how I think. That's how I operate. And when you see me, if you, as I said, come at the side of me and listen and see and observe, you will see how it's done. You're looking from the outside, looking in YouTube, commenting, saying things you don't even know about, judging people before you even get to know what this really mean and what they're really about. That's what society's like. That's how it's become. Quick on the finger, quick on the comment, quick on the dislike, thumbs down. But they don't really know people. They don't really know. So, as I said, I want to build people. That's my strength. That's what my mission, to build people, build them up, let them also build people up and build a community of masterful engineers who've got the right mindset, who want to be successful, will be successful because they'll get it by default without actually trying. They don't have to run after money and be greedy and try and rip people off. It'll come to you by natural attraction. Once you understand the law of attraction, once you understand the secret, once you understand in thinking and growing rich, that's what you will get. Think of it. Can you do what I'm doing right now? I'm making this video straight off the top of my head, no rehearsing. I'm driving on the motorway, as you can see, and it's pouring out my head. Am I some crackpot guy just making it up? Am I just, can you see a script I'm reading from? No. It's all natural. And it's truthful, authentic knowledge. So, it takes an intelligent guy to appreciate what I'm saying. So if you're an intelligent person, you will appreciate what I'm saying right now. It's not every person can talk like this. Not any person can have this knowledge pouring out my head like water. This is infinite knowledge which I've learned and become. So there you have it. The challenge is yours. Engineer wants to come and shoot me down. I challenge you to come and spend a day or two with me, and then you can say what you want. The news guy out there, I'm here for you. If you want that help and advice and point you to the right direction like Rufus and the other guys are taking, just click on the link below this video, go to the website and find out more, and I'll be glad to hear from you. So that's it from me, Rufus, and we'll see you on the next video.